Observational learning, also known as social learning, is a process where individuals acquire new behaviors, skills, or attitudes by watching others. This type of learning emphasizes the role of modeling, imitation, and social influence. Albert Bandura, a renowned psychologist, is credited with developing the social learning theory in the 1960s. His famous Bobo doll experiment demonstrated that children could learn aggressive behaviors simply by observing adults acting aggressively. Bandura's work showed that direct reinforcement wasn't the only way people learned. They could also learn by observing others. Here are three key features of observational learning. First, observational learning is distinct in its emphasis on vicarious reinforcement. Unlike traditional learning theories that focus on direct reinforcement, observational learning highlights that individuals can learn about the consequences of actions by observing others. If the observed model is rewarded for a behavior, the observer is more likely to imitate that behavior, anticipating similar rewards. Second, the concept of modeling is central to observational learning. This involves observing and imitating the behavior of a model. Modeling can include live models, real people, symbolic models, characters in books, films, or media, and verbal instructions. Third, observational learning introduces the idea of self-efficacy. This is the belief in one's ability to perform a task successfully. According to Bandura, observing others succeed can boost an observer's confidence in their own abilities. Here are two key strengths of observational learning. One strength of observational learning is its efficiency. Learning by watching others can be quicker and less costly than trial and error learning. For example, in a work environment, new employees can learn job skills by observing experienced colleagues, speeding up their training process. Another strength is that it promotes social bonding. When individuals engage in observational learning, they often interact with their models, fostering relationships and social cohesion. This is particularly beneficial in team settings where collaboration and communication are essential. However, observational learning has limitations. One major limitation is model dependency. The quality of learning heavily depends on the model's behavior. If the model demonstrates incorrect or unethical behavior, observers might learn and replicate these undesirable actions. Another limitation is context-specific learning. Behaviors learned through observation may not always transfer well to different contexts. For example, a student might perfectly replicate a science experiment in class, but struggle to adapt the learned procedures to a different experiment or setting. If you're a university student, I recommend reading the article I've left in the pinned comment, which could help you with your studies, or writing an essay on this topic. You might also want to check out the videos on screen now that explore related concepts in education.